back out with the Olympus XA2 for the third time. And yeah, no real direction on this one. I really do just kind of purely explore or roam with no like intentional direction. I, for whatever reason, get quite a few photos of vehicles of some sort. Didn't plan that, but that's how it turned out. And I like a lot of these. So I don't think I'm going to provide commentary on most of these, maybe one or two. But yeah, for the most part, we're just going to let the music play and just leave it up for interpretation. Let's get into it. This is probably the only one I will give comments on, and I think it's because initially when I was walking up to this area, and this lady was in front of like an international grocery market, and that's when I thought that's where I want to take the picture. I want to include her with that as the backdrop, but I kind of hesitated and ended up with this one. This one still worked out for me. It just has like a different feel than what I had in mind. It's just kind of this lady with, her supplies or items that she was needing. And she kind of gives off like a tired, energy, like worn out from life. So this one had a bit more emotion to it than I thought it would. And then kind of the dramatic sky in the background with the power lines running down. It just, it looked better and lined up better than I imagined in a very different way, but it still worked.